let's have a go at writing some equations based off some lines given to us on a graph. We'll start with this green line here. Well, let's remember our linear equation is y equals mx plus c. There we go. So we know that c is going to be our y-intercept. So for this green line, we can see here that c is going to be positive 6. So let's start writing our equation here. We know that our c value is going to be positive 6. Now, let's think about finding what our gradient or slope is. So we can see straight away that it is going left to right, but it is going down in value. It's decreasing in value. So we can say that this is going to be negative. I don't have to do anything else other than look going left to right and see that it's going down or decreasing as it moves from left to right. So it's going to be negative. And now we simply use our rise over run rule. Now, I just want to draw here on the graph so I can see it's 6. So I'm going to go across here. That's our run. And I've gone across negative 2. So I've gone across negative 2 here. And let's go our rise. So we're going from top to bottom here. It's 2, 4. Well, that's 6 as I've gone 12 to 10, 10 to 8, 8 to 6. So I've gone down negative 6. So that means using our rise over run, our gradient is going to be negative 6 over, and I've gone up. I should have that positive actually. I've gone forward 2. Put an X there. And this is our equation for that green line. Now this can be simplified, so I can write this as y equals, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I can go negative 3x plus 6. Now let's check, see that matches? Well, plus 6, whereas going through our y-intercept, and well, negative 3x. That means for every 1 that it goes across, it goes down 3. So let's have a look. So 1 will be halfway along. So I've gone across 1. Now for every 1 it goes down. I'm meeting halfway here, which is 3. So our equation for this green line is y equals negative 3x plus 6. Great. Let's have a go at this blue line. Well, we can see that it's going through positive 2. So we know y equals, well, positive 2, because that's our y-intercept. It's going through positive 2. Now, let's use our rise over run again. So I can see, well, I can make a nice little square doing this. So if I go in this way, so left to right, remember? So I'm going across, 1, 2. Well, I've gone across 2, so that's our run. That value there. And I've gone up 1, 2. I've gone up 2. Remember, it's multiplied by x. I don't need a negative because I can see it's increasing as I move from left to right. Now I can simplify this again. 2 divided by 2 is just itself. So this one will be represented as y equals x plus 2. Let's check if that works. Well, when I've gone across 1 here, I've gone up 1 there. So this blue line is y equals x plus 2. Now last of all, let's try this red line. Well, let's have a look. Oh, our y-intercept is going through negative 6. So let's use our form, y equals mx plus c. Well, this means y equals, well, c is going through negative 6. So our y-intercept is going to be negative 6. Now, using our rise over run, well, let's have a look at our run first. So remember, moving from left to right. So I've gone across 1, 2, I'm going to keep going, 3, 4. Oh, so when I've gone across 4 here, that's our run, I've gone up 1, 2. So when I've gone across 4, I've gone up 2. And that's multiplied by x there. I should really label these. I'll go back here and just do this, 2 and 2. So I've got across 4 here, I've got up 2. So we have rise over run. So 2 over 4, well we can simplify this. So it's y equals 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1/2 x minus 6. And that is the equation for our line. Hey,